Good morning, all of you. Welcome to thermal engineering class. Last class, I was discussed about types of combustion chambers in SI engine. In today class, I discuss about rating of SI engine fuels. Before going to that, we should know that fuels can be rated by their anti-knock quality. For example, if fuel is going to generate less knocking tendency in the engine, then we can say that fuel is called as best quality fuel. If fuel is going to generate more knocking tendency in the engine cylinder, we can say that is poor quality fuel. Like that, based on their anti-knock qualities, we can rate the fuels. Mainly for SA engine, this quality can be defined by octane number. In CA engines, the fuel quality can be defined by cetane number. Cetane. In today class, I discuss about SA engines fuel rating. In the topic of combustion of CA engines, I will discuss about cetane number later. Resistance to knocking is an extremely important characteristic of SA engine fuels. Fuels should resist the knocking tendency. That is important characteristic. Generally, based on the availability of fuel, the knocking tendency which is developing in the engine cylinder varies. If you want to determine the knocking tendency characteristic in the fuel, you have to supply fuel to the engine cylinder under certain operating conditions. You have to check the performance with standard reference fuel. So here two things you have to be observed. First of all, you have to run the run the engine with normal fuel which is available uh, in the zone, in regions, under certain operating conditions on the engine cylinder. Similarly, on the same operating conditions on the same engine, again you have to uh, check the performance with standard fuel. So by comparing these two results, you can check the knocking tendency. First of all, using normal fuel, actual fuel based on the availability. Next one, standard reference fuel. So by using these two, you can compare the knocking tendency characteristics or knocking resistance characteristic. Hmm. So standard, I told you one word, standard reference fuel. Standard reference fuel means which is a combination of two fuels. They are isooctane and normal heptane. Isooctane, which is the chemical formula is C8H18, and normal heptane, which is also called as N-heptane. Normal means N, heptane. The chemical formula is C7H16. So these are two reference fuels we use in standard fuel. It is a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane. Isooctane chemically being very good anti-knock quality. Generally we give, I mentioned on this slide, see, isooctane offers great resistance to knock and very good anti-knock quality, which is generally assigned as 100 octane number. Similarly, N-heptane offers poor anti-knock qualities, which is assigned to 0 octane number. And one more thing, very important for 2 marks case also, the octane number. I told you that what is octane number here. I have written definition. Please see all of you. Octane number is defined as percentage by volume of, please see carefully, octane number is defined as percentage by volume of isooctane in a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane, which exactly matches the knocking intensity of fuel in standard engine under standard operating conditions. See, you have to take a percentage by volume of isooctane in a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane. For example, if you take a container in which a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane, if you prefer 90% uh, isooctane in the container, we can say as octane number as 90. If you have 100% isooctane with 0 N-heptane, we call as 100 octane number. Like that, based on the percentage variation in octane isooctane, we can say as octane number based on the percentage of isooctane. So these fuels which are available, we apply in engine cylinder, we check performance. Same under certain operating conditions. These operating conditions should be fixed. At same fixed operating conditions, again you have to check the performance under standard reference fuel. So by checking these two um, uh, results, you can say that uh, knock resistance characteristic. Like that, we can say the quality of fuel. I mentioned on this slide, if octane number 80 means fuel should be having 80% octane number, 20% N-heptane. The commonly used octane numbers in SA engines are 91, 92, 93. So the complete 100 octane number is not available properly. We prefer 91, 92, 93 octane number fuels. When we have high octane number, anti-knocking qualities will be improved. So knocking tendency can be decreased. That is advantage. But we directly cannot take those type of fuels. Based on the availability, we have to prefer the SA engine fuels. If you want to increase the anti-knock quality, sometimes if fuel quality is low, we can add some amount of additives by improving the anti-knock characteristics. Those additives I have mentioned on this slide, the mainly used additive to improve anti-knock quality in SA engines is that tetraethyl lead. By adding this additive in the SA engine fuel, um, you can improve the anti-knocking quality. Knocking tendency can be decreased. And some more additives I mentioned on this slide are that ferrocene and methyl cyclopentane diethyl manganese tricarbonyl, which is generally called as MMT. Methyl cyclopenta diethyl manganese tricarbonyl, MMT. These are commonly used additives in SA engines for improving anti-knock quality. But there are some problems also by adding these additives in the engine cylinder or in the fuel. I mentioned on this slide, very important for 2 marks, or sometimes you can see in the exam directly descriptive question, what are the effects of anti-knock additives. When we add tetraethyl lead in the fuel, tetraethyl lead, it has lead content, so which is toxic and poisonous to the human beings. Manganese is having in MMT, which affects human. How means, as a result, eye irritation, headaches, and breathing problems, breathing troubles will develop for human beings. So that is one more drawback by adding this additive. And ferrocene has iron content, which affects the life of spark plug. Spark plug life decreases if you prefer or if you add ferrocene in the fuel. So these are problems what we have with the additives when you prefer or when you add into the fuel. Next class, I discuss about combustion of CA engines. I start with combustion stages in CA engines. Thank you.